Here on Matt Zone HD Sportsnet, presented by the JMU Alumni Association. I'm joined by track and field head coach Cherie Hicks. Coach, another successful weekend this past weekend. Your thoughts on how the meet went?
The meet went great. Once again, we had a lot of personal bests. We had a lot of seasonal bests. We had Annie Johnson PR in the 200 and qualifying for the ECACs in the 60 and in the 200. We had Ebony Uwu Sampe had a personal best and an ECAC qualifier in the long jump, and we had a lot of seasonal bests as well. So it was, once again, a great weekend where everybody learned from the previous weeks and continued to get better.
You mentioned looking back at previous weeks, Annie Johnson through this season has improved, I believe, in every single race she's run in both events. What have you seen from her this year that has really showed you that the ECAC qualifying times this past weekend were not a fluke and that she's really improved through these first couple weeks of the season?
Well, anything that the girls do out there are not a fluke. I mean, they're working hard throughout practice, so that's an everyday thing. They're getting their treatment. They're doing great in their workouts. And then when they go to the meets, it's showing. Their hard work is showing across the board. So it's just basically the work that they're doing throughout the week is showing at the meets.
This weekend, two meets, the Liberty Quad and the Boston Valentine Invitational. What are you looking to see and get out of these two meets this weekend?
Well, continue the progress, continue moving forward, continue getting more ECAC qualifiers. So that's what we're looking to get out of the processes for this week and for our Virginia Tech week, our last week before we have another off week.
This weekend, as I said, Liberty Quad and the Boston Valentine meet, both on Friday afternoon. Coach, thanks so much. We'll look forward to it.
Thank you very much.